Students at Wright State University are lending a helping hand through 3D printing. It's not the School of Engineering, it's actually the Department of English.
It's more of the idea of giving back with an unorthodox way.
Assistant Professor of English, Dr. Ashley Hall, is using her digital rhetoric class to teach her students a new range of skills and strategies for how we collaborate online, how we share information, and how we use open source technologies to make the world a better place.
People made the decision not to make the knowledge and the actual code for how to print these devices proprietary, not to close that off, not to commercialize it, but instead to make it open source. And so we've been re-examining the notion of file sharing through this assignment.
Digital rhetoric is using technologies to communicate and inspire action in others. For Dr. Hall and her class, they're using 3D printing to understand how open source file sharing can be used to benefit local communities.
Well, we do actually know one of the two devices that we're creating is going to go to a girl about 2 hours from here in Ohio.
They're working with two nonprofit organizations that help to pair the printed hands with the two young girls. Printing these hands offers a cost-efficient method to provide the hands to people that otherwise would not be able to afford them.
Enable is one of two nonprofits that we've been partnering with and connected with. The second nonprofit is a nonprofit called Helping Hands.
Printing each piece takes a few minutes to several hours. Then they assemble the hands using screws and wires.
We're hoping that more people will donate to the cause and more kids can have the option of having an Enable hand rather than having to pay a lot of money for a prosthetic.
For Wright News Now, I'm Jesse Schroet.